What's up, everyone? I just got done installing the wideband for the Eclipse. Took a while, a lot of wiring, a lot of splicing and soldering that I needed to do. Quick review on this gauge. A lot of guys on the forums, for example, GSM tuners, not too many point to the right power source for the gauge. A lot of guys say to do it into the cigarette lighter, which I don't find good. Others say to the fuse box. I did put a inline fuse, 5 amp, and the spot that I did connect it to, which works really good, was to the ignition. That blue one right there is going to be the accessories. The red, constant 12 volt. The green is going to be the ignition. So I do have a turbo timer, and this is the head unit for it, and that's the between harness, the harness, and then the other one's on the other side. Well, I was able to pull out the prong for the accessory and tap into that. There's the fuse, and the turbo timer I have is the HKS type 0 or type O. And also, if you do have a Goretti turbo timer, I have one too, but this is the harness for the Goretti. It's going to be the same thing. This is for the head unit. This is between the ignition, and that's going to be the blue, the accessory, constant volt, and the ignition and ground. And I believe this is going to be the illumination, or might be for the brake, the e-brake, but whichever way, that's the blue is what matters. So I already have it calibrated. Well, I did have it calibrated, so I'm gonna have to take that off again, and I'm assuming to restart it because I took off the battery. I unplugged the battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But yeah, it's pretty much how it is, and then off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that sensor off and get that recalibrated again.